What a bittersweet. S14's in my crusty garage. Welcome back to another vlog, and today is gonna be the title of the video. I'm sure something like farewell, you know. I sold the E30 and I'm gonna go deliver the E30 to the guy who bought it. I'm gonna he's at Apple Valley. It's super early. I'm going to Apple Valley, selling the car. I'm probably gonna drive the car for like, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes and then give the car back to him. We're different heights, and the seat's bolted, so I'm just gonna drive it for the last time ever. Hand him over the car, let him drive it, and then say goodbye to the E30 and start Project S14 and go hard on this. So weird. I have the car all loaded up on the trailer. So from the last event that I went to with the broken Heims, I fixed the Heims and I haven't touched the car since. So I have no idea the condition of the car. Obviously I checked the oil and stuff, but it is so weird that I'm packing for a drift event, and it's because I'm selling my car, you know? This will be the last time I gas up this car. Whose idea was this? Whose idea was it to grow attachment to a car? I haven't recorded in a bit just because, you know, meeting with the buyer and all that stuff, and the car is sold. He bought the car to see if it's going to be like a nice pro car, drivetrain wise. But right now they're fixing a dent off a door from a previous track day. We got like rotary dudes over here. Big FD guy. Hey, take care of my car, man. After the first lap? Yeah. I mean, you'll see. You'll see. It's gonna make you want to just floor it everywhere. Why did I drive it? Oh, this dude brought expensive Ricardos, dude. For sure. What are they, like $1,500 seats?
Why are these seats more expensive on this lot, bro?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, these were my E30 and 3.
I just have like PLM, like I think they're like 800 for the pair.
I didn't want to bring them, but these are the only bucket seats I had right now.
That's wild. Hurry up, bro.
You gotta catch me on 4K.
I know, bro. Hurry up, man. You good?
Yeah.
Your crotch feels safe? So remember, 2 switches and then starter. There you go. And then just turn on the fan now before you forget. There you go. This is so weird, bro. There you go. First lap ever. He's getting the shakedown going. Let's go, man. Scary, scary. All right, second lap out. My exhaust wrap is like hanging from the bottom, but it's all right. There you go. There you go. That's all I'm talking about. There you go, getting brave. Throttle, floor it, floor it. There you go, hell yeah. That's so cool.
I told you it would take him no 3.
What do you think, brother? It's crazy,
I'm
right?
not gonna lie, I've had my heart in my beep the whole first 2-3 laps.
No,
I gotta say, it's just raw power.
you can tell like you were like kind of scared of the car
Oh
at first.
hell yeah, what? That thing just
So-
roars at me. I'm like, chill out, yo.
But as soon as you just gave it throttle, it's just go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did notice that I don't even gotta be on the rev limiter at all.
You don't.
And I do third the whole back end. Super smooth.
You could.
So the car is good.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
I just avoided it because I flipped the car once.
No,
and
bro, it's sketchy. There was
It
times
is.
where he's like, you're gonna fall
So
off.
okay,
Just-
I run a lot of casters, so if you notice the self steer is like
yeah.
right?
Yeah, it winds up right away.
exactly. So if you just that's why I kind of
No, you're good.
Yeah.
I feel
So you like the
love
car?
it. Oh, I love it.
hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend.
There you go. That's the first time someone's drove.
Dude, I think it's ridiculous.
Ah, it's so weird seeing my car like drive, dude. That's
Dude, he fucking set 3 heaters in the lap.
Yeah.
It was great.
the last lap was like money.
What's money?
Yeah. That's insane, dude. Ah, that's so crazy. All right. David's driving. I'm a passenger in what used to be my car. I am not used to that at all. You ready to go, man?
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Let's go. Holy. Yeah, on the dirt drop.
Yeah.
This flare came out. Is the wheel fine?
The flare just came out. It needs bolts.
Okay, sounds good. I mean, it's just a flare. Second lap out. So it's the gearing. Remember, if you had if you had that other diff, it would have been so fine.
Yeah, bro, because I was like, second wasn't enough, and third is too strong, I'll crash him. So
Yep.
it's like,
Yep. This is crazy, dude. I don't even know where to point the phone. I've never recorded. I've never sat on this side. The whole time I'm like watching you drift, I'm like, this is cool, and the phone's probably not doing anything. Let's hope you didn't break nothing, brother. Oh, this fucking dude. Oh my god. I had a feeling that was gonna happen, bro. Why? Why?
Because we can't.
Record
my grill. Right where you flipped. The grill.
Oh, really? Let me go get it. Is that the grill? Is this where I flipped? There's the grill. Let's go. All right, so now we're gonna put straps around the bash bar. We'll throw this guy back here. Okay. Yeah, just put it around the pole. It'll be fine. You kind of made it worse right now.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
My bad.
All right, just pull it nice and slow. I'm gonna get on this side in case it breaks off and fucking kills me.
Getting the glasses down. Slowly.
A little bit more. Stop. That's good. And then we'll put it on the other side now. All right, so
Oh shit. Oh hell yeah.
Oh, really?
all right.
He was like,
Wait, hold on. Time out. You should put it on this side because it's gonna pull like the mass of it. But if you put it here and this bracket holds
I like
it,
how he says time out. That
Yeah.
is so cool. Time out, time out.
you get what I was saying though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Para la Sofía Vergara.
Are you proud of yourself, bro?
100%, baby. I wanted to crash in the same spot you crashed, so you always remember this moment.
All right. A little more. A little more.
A little more?
I think that'll be all right.
Yeah?
I think it should be good. Yeah, it'll be all right. All right, damage report. I got these for like 50 bucks, not bad. Custom Jeep headlights, whatever.
My grill, bro.
The grill's in the back seat. It's still intact.
Come on, baby.
Sick, man. Good man. I love it. I love it. You're like not afraid to destroy a car you just bought.
What a great characteristic to have. That's a massive red flag if you ask me.
Bro, abusive on the first date. All right, let me record the E46 battle scars. Damn, that's crazy. There's like nothing on this car. That was already there. He just like barely tapped the bash bar. But anyways, that's it for me at this event. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna leave. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good, man. But so wild, dude. I get in passenger and dude crashes it. Let's go. I'm gonna take off my wheels and get the heck out of here, man. I'm done. Those little Ricardo seats that he put in here, they're meant for like midgets, so I can't fit in that. It hurt my sides, but good stuff. All right, one last video of the car. No thanks. You can keep that. Take care of the car, man. Abuse it. He said, trust me, I will. Ah, crazy, man. Goodbye, E30. Goodbye. So that's it. E30's gone. I was gonna do this little compilation thing and it was gonna be kind of sad, but you know what? Forget it. I don't want to do that. The E30 was great, man. I loved it. I wish I didn't have so many E30 problems, you know, with rear suspension and had more seat time to actually like abuse the car properly. But S14 is gonna be great content. There's a lot of things coming for sure. Stay tuned for all that. And then Danny, I know you're gonna do cool with the car. And if you sell it, that's okay too. I'm just glad that I sold it to you, you know? But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Get ready for like super cool stuff happening with the S14. Peace. Enjoy the videos.